My son, sit down. What I am about to tell you is heavier than gold. Do not scroll away. These words may save your life one day. Come closer. Let this old woman speak while her breath is still warm. I carried you on my back when you were small. I watched your feet learn this dusty ground. I fed you with hands that were tired but full of love. If you want to continue listening to this story, stay with me, because this story might change your life. My son, today you are grown. Now life is your teacher. My son, listen carefully. Life is like farming. You do not harvest in the same season you plant. So do not rush your life. Wake early. Work honestly. Even the cock does not crow for nothing. The world outside this village is loud. People will smile at you while hiding stones in their pockets. Some will praise you today and forget you tomorrow. So build your life on character, not on applause. A man is not measured by his shoes, but by how he treats people when nobody is watching. My son, respect elders. An old person is a walking library. When an elder dies, a whole village burns. Do not be proud when success visits you. Pride makes a man fall even on flat ground. Remember your roots. A river that forgets its source will dry. Take care of your home. Speak gently to your wife. Be present for your children. Your children do not need only money. They need your time, your laughter, your example. A noisy home raises tired hearts. Let peace live in your house. If hunger comes, endure. If blessings come, stay humble. Life moves like the wind. Today you stand tall. Tomorrow you may bend. So do not laugh at the poor. Today it is them. Tomorrow it could be you. Help quietly. My son, choose your friends carefully. Not everyone walking with you is going your direction. Some bring light, some bring storms. Walk with those who push you forward. Never be ashamed of honest work. Dirty hands are better than a dirty heart. Do not steal. Do not lie. Do not step on others to rise. Slow success is clean success. The world will offer you shortcuts. Refuse them. Easy roads lead to hard endings. When life becomes heavy, do not run. Sit with your problems. Learn. Even mountains wear down with time. So will your troubles. My son, even strong men cry. Do not hide your pain inside anger. Talk, pray, breathe. A closed heart breaks quietly. If you fall, stand back up. Even the strongest ox gets tired, but it rises again. Remember this village. Remember this soil. Remember this old woman who prayed for you before you could walk. One day I will be gone, but these words will remain. Live simply. Love your people. Work with dignity. Forgive quickly. And promise me one thing, my son. When you succeed, lift others. When you have food, share. When you have wisdom, teach. That is how blessings stay. Now go. Walk straight. Carry yourself with honor. Your grandmother believes in you.